Yo, what is up everybody? Hope you guys are having a great day, and in today's video I'm gonna be teaching you guys how you guys can put TikTok videos in slow motion. So the steps are pretty simple, so watch this video until the end without skipping, because if you skip then you guys might get confused. So you know what I'm trying to say. So yeah, be sure to hit that like and subscribe button with notification on, and comment down below what type of video we should make next, and let's start the video without any further ado. First we need to upload a video, so I can click on this plus button over here. Once you click on the plus button, you can shoot a normal video using TikTok camera, or you can click on upload over here. Once you click on upload, choose the video which you want to put on slow motion. Let's say I want to put this video on slow motion, this 12-second one. I can click on next after selecting the video, and once you come over here, you guys can see this clock kind of option. You can click on this clock option. Now to slow the video, click on the 0.5x option. If you click on 2x, it's gonna be fast, 1x is for normal, 0.5x is for slow. As you guys can see how the video got slowed. After the video is slowed, you can click on next. You can add filter, music, whatever you want. Now you can click on next again. And once you click on post, the video is going to be uploaded in slow motion. So that's basically how to put TikTok videos in slow motion. I'm going to be waiting for it until it uploads. As you guys can see, the video has been uploaded and it is in slow motion. So that's basically it. So if you guys found this video helpful, then be sure to hit that like and subscribe button with notification on, and comment down below what type of video we should make next. And I'll see you guys in a bit. Have a nice day. Bye-bye. And if you guys have any question related with this video, you can ask us in the comment. I'll answer you guys and help you solve it as well. So yeah, see you guys in a bit. Have a nice day.